Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Down on one on per channel, she's too low.
So what's in here real quick, man? And your name?
My name's Ray. I got two Mmats Team Juggernauts, triple stack 15s on a Terram Space 8K. I wired it one ohm. I got a 48 lithium battery under the thing here. And
Okay. Some
Rockford 404 and a 75.2.
Nice. So you still testing, tuning, tweaking, working on it? Work in progress?
Just put the port on at 6 a.m. this morning.
Really? Okay, so you got it playing at least.
Yeah, it's playing.
Okay. Do you know the specs of the box?
It is total it is 1.6 per sub sealed.
Okay.
And 11.5 ported and 20 square inches of port.
All right. Perfect. Nice. All right.
thunder, lightning and the thunder.
Sounds pretty good, man. It's not bad.
And are you planning to seal this off eventually?
Oh yeah. Like, that was the plan, but it's out of time.
Do you have anything behind the box? Is it all right here?
It's all right here.
It is? Okay, so you got a little back space still.
I could probably have done 20 plus cubes.
It is? Okay. Sounds pretty, it's going to be really different when you wall it, I'm sure, when you seal it off. So.
Big difference.
Yeah. Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man. What was your name?
Ray.
Ray?
Ray, yeah.
Ray, okay. Thank you, man.
Oh yeah.
Y'all have a good day. Is the door open right? Yep. Oh, doors.
Door open with AC,
Sir?
has AC, that's all that matters.
Yes, sir. That's right. Awesome. Ooh. Work in progress. I understand, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to get a picture real quick if that's all right. Does this go up at all?
Yeah.
Sorry.
My umbrella's annoying.
Thank you.
Lightning and the thunder.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.